Today, you will learn how to compare a Word document and a PDF document for free. First, open your browser and search for PDF24. Then open the PDF24 website. Next, click on the Compare PDFs tool. Now, upload your Word document in one file box and your PDF file in the other. Even though the tool is called Compare PDFs, it also supports Word documents by automatically converting them to PDF before comparing them. After that, click the Compare button and wait a few seconds. PDF24 will process both files and highlight all the differences, making it easy to see what has changed between your Word document and PDF. That's all it takes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.